Welcome back to the mirror table. We're going right into it. So I made these jeans and they went viral on TikTok. Today I'm dropping all the details on the tutorial. So these are area NYC rope cutout wide leg jeans. I went to the Goodwill outlet to source some jeans. I need about 3 pairs of jeans for this thrift flip. I need 1 pair that has wide legs, and then I need 2 other pairs for my rope cutout design. I lucked up because I found 2 pairs that are the same brand in 2 different shades of denim. So these are perfect. Since these are the same style and brand, the denim weight of the rope design is going to be the same. Now when you get your jeans, you're going to rip them apart. You're going to take the waistband off. You're going to take the legs apart. You're going to take pockets off. You're going to deconstruct these jeans. Then you're going to create a pattern for the rope cutout. Grab a sheet of paper and fold it in half like so. Then grab some scissors because you're going to cut the corners into a round shape just like I'm doing here. Once you're finished cutting your corners, you're going to open up the sheet of paper and you'll see you have like an oval shape. Then you're going to fold your oval shape in half and cut out the center area. Go ahead and follow along as I demonstrate how it's done. Repeat this process until you have made 5 oval shapes. You want your ovals to gradate from smaller oval shapes down to larger oval shapes so you have a nice wide leg pattern on the bottom. Now you want to cut your oval shapes in half to create your rope-like design. Now you see you'll have 2 separate pieces and you're going to assemble them like so. Now you can see you assembled a snake-like pattern that will create one side of your rope-like design. Now tape the pieces together and you have your pattern. You should have 2 snake-like patterns that look similar to this. Now you're going to lay these patterns on your disassembled denim. Make sure your pattern lays nice and flat so that you won't get any puckers and gaps when you make your jeans. Now cut out 2 of each strip. Once you have all 4 of your strips cut out, you're going to snip the inner curves so that you can serge around these curves easier. This will also help your pattern lay flat so that you won't have any gaps or puckers in your jeans. Now it's time to serge all 4 pieces. Once all 4 pieces are serged, go ahead and lay your pieces out like this so that you can make sure everything is flowing nice and smoothly. After you have confirmed the flow of your rope-like pattern, then you're going to press the edges in to prep for edge gauging and top stitching. Once edges are pressed, you're going to begin edge gauging and top stitching all 4 pieces. Now you're going to sew the chain link pattern onto the front of your jeans and serge the sides. You should get something that looks like this. I chose a wide leg jean so I can lay the chain link pattern right on front, sew it on, and then cut out the holes to reveal the negative space. This next step is optional. The original jeans has a heart-shaped pattern in back, so I am going to create a pattern and do some heart-shaped stitching in the back. After I finished top stitching my heart shape, I tried them on for a quick fitting, then looked for a cute pendant to put on the waistband, and check out the final look.
Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love.
Denim is not boring, bland, or trendy. It's classic, bold, and bluer than ever. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.